Hi guys, it's Megan Mize here with the Perry Company in Waco, Texas, and today we have on 3 of our brand new products for the Kubota SVL 97-3. Jared's quickly going to take you through each of the products and their features, and then we'll go over the main benefit of each product.
All right, guys, let's get into it. So we're going to take a look at our first product that is a new design by the Perry Company, and that is the quick attach cylinder guard. A little tough to get out, but we have a 3/16 guard right here, and that's going to protect that cylinder. So whether you're pushing or pulling, we have a plate underneath here, and we've got a solid steel plate on top as well. And so no matter which way you're going, you're going to get some protection there. Now, the next thing that's going to be very difficult for you to see, because it looks very much like the OEM, is our solid steel frame that we've come up with for the SVL. Now, on this frame, it's going to be powder coated with our texture black, much like you would see with our mechanical fastening system. But instead of having a tube, a thin wall tube, this is a solid stock, so that when you take hard hits, you're not going to bend that frame. Now, the last one I want to talk about is our debris boot for the 97-3. Let's go take a look. All right, guys, we're here at the back of the machine, and we're going to take a look at the debris boot. And what I love about the design on this debris boot is, number one, it fits the 97-3 now, fits some other units before, and we still have 2 different SKUs there. One will fit the earlier models, and now we have one that'll fit the 97-3, but it's very, very similar. The things that we had to change about it was kind of back here. We made this flap a little bit longer, and we had to change this component right back here. But in the front, we're still using our mechanism to lock this 1/4 inch rubber down here at the front. We have our coupler mount that mounts to your cylinder. It's going to be about 5 inches from the top of this cylinder to the top of that mount, but we'll cover that in the installation video we shot yesterday. Again, premium rubber that we're using here. Like I said, it's a 1/4 inch thick, and so as you move, that's going to allow you to get coverage at all times. Now, as we come back here to the back, still a hinged piece so that you get the movement that you need. And again, 1 inch 1/4 thick rubber, really solid solution. All other components that are made out of metal are powder coated steel with our texture powder. Now, what this is actually going to do for you is this is going to keep about 95% of the debris from falling down into the base where everybody's having to clean out. That's probably one of the toughest things to do, is get in there and clean it out. And what we're looking to do is take about 95% of that and keep it out. You're still going to have to clean the bottom of this boom in that section. We're just hoping that you don't have to do it quite as often. Let's go back to Megan, and we're going to sum up the day.
All right, thank you, Jared. Can you quickly just go over each of the main benefits of all 3 of these products?
Sure. On our cylinder guard down here, really it's pretty easy. You just don't want an object coming up and dislodging or breaking or busting up that cylinder. It's going to cost you a bunch of money to get fixed, and you're not going to be able to get whatever attachment you have on here off or on. And so we just want to protect that. Now, when it comes to our door, I've seen a lot of our polycarbonate with the mechanical fasteners on the OEM frame. They take a hard hit, and then it bends that frame. You got to take the whole unit off. You got to try to get a frame. And so we wanted to have something that was readily available for you guys. But then also, when you take that hard hit, it's not going to bend with that thin wall tubing. And now with our debris boot, honestly, there's been several cases of fires, especially back where that debris will collect. And so we want to keep operators up and running in a safe way as much as possible. And so for the operators out there that are getting out every couple of hours to clean that out, we want to make that every 4 hours or 6 hours or 8 hours. We want to double the amount of time, if not triple the amount of time, that you can run without having to clean it out.
Right. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, so these products will be up on our website very soon. So y'all check back frequently to perry-co.com and give us a call if you have any questions.
Thanks, guys.